In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clips in CapCut. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place clips together, adjust their order, add smooth transitions, and export your final merged video as one continuous file. First, open your project in the CapCut editor. Once your project is on the screen, look over to the left-hand side and find the media option. This is where all of your video files, images, and other assets are stored. Click on Media to open that panel. From here, select the video clips you want to use. Each time you click a clip, CapCut will add it directly to your timeline at the bottom of the screen. As soon as your clips are on the timeline, CapCut automatically places them back to back. That means when one clip ends, the next one begins immediately, with no gap in between. In practical terms, this already merges them into a single continuous video sequence. So even though you still see separate clips on the timeline, they will play as one joined video when you preview or export. If you want to change the order of your clips, you can easily rearrange them. On the timeline, click and hold any clip, then drag it left or right to a new position. Release it when you see it snap into place between other clips. This is especially useful if you added clips in the wrong order or decide that a different sequence tells your story better. Take a moment to play back your timeline and make sure the flow feels right. To make your merges look smoother, you might want to add transitions between clips. Move your mouse to the point where two clips touch on the timeline. Hover right at that seam until you see a small white box appear between the clips. Click that box, and a transitions panel will open on the left side of the screen. Here you can browse different transition effects, like fades, wipes, or zooms. Click on a transition to preview it, and then apply the one that best matches the style of your video. You can repeat this between any other clips you want to smooth out. When you're happy with how everything looks and plays, it's time to export. Go to the top right corner of the screen and look for the export arrow. Click it, choose your desired resolution and settings, and confirm. CapCut will then process your timeline and save all those merged clips as a single video file, ready to share or upload wherever you like.